Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you're having a good day in the market. It's July 19th. We're going to go over some theta farm option strategies. I'll show you guys an account. We're growing slow and steady, nice and easy. So the month of July here, we've grown it. Let's see, started at 163K, slowly grown up to 171K. June we did about 1%. And July we're on pace back to do 6 to 8%. So I'm going to show you the triggers, show you what options I did for that. Selling options, selling cash secured puts. Sub up, like up, comment down. Happy money sticks around. So I created a membership membership on YouTube. It is it's the Theta Farm Options membership. So if you guys want to follow along and just see what options I'm selling to create sustainable income, you can join on there. It is right here. I'll show you. It's under join, and then it's the Theta Farm Options signal, that one. But I'll keep recapping you guys so you can see what's going on. Get there. I'm going to just show you what options we opened and closed since the last video. So last video was on June 19th. It's actually a month ago exactly. And so you can see where the account was at. Hey guys, welcome back. You can see for a month or two. Yeah, so we were doing sell to open on Dish July 6th. So we'll go over those and I'll show you what we closed, what we opened. There we go. All right, so let's see, that was 4 weeks ago. That was Dish. We're doing Dish then 1 month ago. There we go. So we were opening up a lot in that time because the market was kind of flattening out for a lot of these stocks. So sell to open Dish, sell to open trup. I'm getting mostly monthly, a month or 2 months. And just trading the monthlies, there's higher premium, more volume on them. Sell to open, so I'm selling to open all these. And we'll look at the charts too, so you guys can see why I did it. So yeah, did a lot. Let's see. So we did. Dish was a month ago. I like Dish, has an inverted head and shoulders. Premiums are somewhat high. Built a nice, basically, support here, nice base. We did the 6 puts at 55 cents on Dish a month ago now. So right here about. So it did come down. It went a little against us, and then let's see when we closed them. So I sold them there for 55 cents a contract. So you can do as many of those as you like. If you're doing a lot of contracts, like 100 or more, you want to look at the options chain and make sure there's enough liquidity. Make sure you're not moving the market too much with it. So there you go, buy to close. So 12 days ago we bought to close those. We do have to wait some time because it didn't really have necessarily a big rally. Had enough though, and it just burned enough premium for us to be profitable. So close those for 10 cents 12 days ago. I sent that out to these members. So there's your profit, 40 cents a contract basically. And it was right about here, somewhere in here. So I could have held it longer, but I'm closing most of these after 50%. The chart's super bullish and it's ripping. I might wait a few more days. It's kind of stagnating. You should always close at 50%. Sometimes it just gaps up to 60 or 70%. Like you'll be kind of flat on it or a little bit up or a little bit down for a long time. And then one day it'll just, kind of rally and you'll be able to get out of it pretty quick for that half profit, or yeah, 50%. That was Dish. And I still like Dish. I wouldn't open them up today since it is two green days here in a row, but I'm still liking the $6 cash good puts on it to sell some on. So I sold trup 22.5 puts for July. at $1.06. So another one, kind of a similar bottom looking than like how Dish was. And this was also a month ago. So YouTube just says a month. I don't know specifically what day it was, but roughly a month. It was probably on this red day here, actually. Ideally 621. So I like the support it had here, around 20 bucks or so. Maybe it wasn't on that day because I sold 22.5. Yeah, I don't think it was on that day. I think it might have been the day before. But yeah, that one actually did go against me a bit. But it's still crazy. That's how cash secured puts work. Sold for July, which the July contracts don't even expire yet. They don't expire till this Friday. So sold the July for $1.06 a contract on this day. So then I had a big dump. It's like, oh no, what's going to happen? So I was down on that for a bit. And then look, yeah, so I actually averaged into this one. I still like the chart and had some good selling off before then. What day was this exactly? I guess you'll have to become a member and see when I do it. A little bit later, maybe this day, maybe a couple days later. But yeah, same strike, 22.5. So they were in the money at that point. Sold them initially for $1.06 and then sold them for $2.07, or sorry, $2.70. So quite a bit more. Yeah, I was down over 100% on them actually, and still went with that 22.5. And it had a bounce, had a bottom, had a rally. Then let's see, where did we close them? Averaging again. Okay, so that was 2 weeks ago. Yes, to still like the chart. I typically wouldn't do this if it's going against me. I might just wait and then roll it. In this case, I still like the chart and still was looking for a bounce. So averaging again 295. So continue to increase. So this first averaging was probably on this big red day, or one of these days, and then maybe a little later once it started to bottom, averaging again 295. So it was growing into a pretty big position. That was 2 weeks ago. So I wish it would give me the date on there. Figure somewhere on this uptrend. I was still down on the play, but I saw that it had reversed. We had a bullish MACD, we had a green under the 9. It just had bounced off this support. Had a nice volume in there. And then buy to close. There you go. Trup. So for 72% profit. So it was much easier to close it out sooner just because I'd averaged down twice on it. So yeah, this was 9 days ago. So back here somewhere, I think on this day. So 72%. So that ended up being a nice one there. That shows you kind of how I average down and why I maybe would, where sometimes I wouldn't if the chart kind of goes against me. Potentially I would just roll it. If there's something fundamental that changed or news, maybe I wouldn't roll it and I would take a loss on it. Usually never do that though unless something major changed. Here's AMC. That was a month ago. So yeah, AMC kind of sketched me out because they do have a catalyst coming up with their court hearing. But that $4 has been a sustainable level to always sell cash secured puts on. Basically, it keeps bouncing there. And I think it will until it doesn't. And I'm careful not to get caught when it doesn't. And their court thing, I think, could really sell it off. I mean, there's a reason why Ivy is high on options. There's demand for it. There's an expected big move on it. So you have to be careful for sure. But sold those for 79 cents a month ago. And these didn't really lose premium. I remember watching these and stock would go up a little bit, go down a little bit, and they were just slowly decay. So the premium stayed high on these. Yeah, there you go. Actually, I just sold them yesterday for a 55% gain. So I had to wait a long time on these, longer than any of them. But yeah, sold them, or bought to close them for 31 cents. And we sold them for 79 cents. So there you go. Just basically chopped around here and burned the theta on those options, which is all we need. Paysafe's had a nice little run. So we did Paysafe at 73 cents. We sold the 9 puts a month ago, roughly. So didn't even get a great entry on here. Didn't time the bottom perfect or anything like that. But sold them for 73 cents a month ago. And I'm sharing all of the trades in here. I'm not sharing some. These are every one I'm doing on Theta Farm. What happened with Paysafe? I opened up more. Average in? Wait. Maybe I still have these. Oh, maybe I didn't put my close in here. I'll have to look back at that one. 9 July puts, 73 cents. Maybe I bought to close these. I think I have them open right now, actually. But I thought they were new contracts. Yeah, these are August. Yeah, I maybe forgot to put the buy to close on those. Interesting. Yeah, I missed that. So I'll put that in. I'll add that to there. But Paysafe, as you can see, has had this rally, so it's been the put premium has basically lost in put premium. Paysafe, and then Peloton. Peloton's had this rally. All these kind of have a similar looking chart, as you can tell. I'm more comfortable selling puts in a chart like this than I am on one that's had a big rally and is just consolidating. So these I sold on a month ago also for 41 cents. And averaged into them 97 cents. So went against me a bit. If I'm down, depending on the chart and depending on how much we're down on it, we'll decide if I'm going to average into it. But I averaged in and basically down 100% on those 4 weeks ago. Then buy to close, here you go, 70% profit. Bought to close those puts 8 days ago. So maybe this actual day, let's see. Tuesday, was that the 12th, 11th? Yeah, a couple days. So right here I closed them. That was Peloton. I almost opened them back up on that big red day, but I didn't do it. So anyways, we don't have to go through all of them, but yeah, there's Trup, Rivian, Beyond. But that's basically what I'm doing with the Theta Farm. Yeah, and it's working out well. And yeah, that's what I got for you guys. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on Discord. Sub up, like up, comment down. Happy Money sticks around. You can follow us on Twitter, Happy Money YT, and join our Discord. Link for both those are in the description. Thanks for the support, guys. Have a good day. Peace out.